Hello and welcome to Friday Night Wargames. We're playing a few rounds here of World of Warships as we've been doing for the past, I don't know, month now. And we've moved on to the uh, July 5th Venezuela part, which requires me to sink 30 ships. And I've been using the Sims here and the Arizona and the Atlanta for mostly doing that. So yes, I've been using mostly premium ships to unlock a free-ish tier 2 battleship that's basically a piece of junk. But hey, who can complain about a free ship effectively? Sort of. But we're gonna see how well I do for a couple times here. And well, yeah. Well, given the fact that it's 2 base version, which I'm gonna go over here into these islands and hope that helps a little bit. I mean, yeah, I have the torpedo range that's greater than my uh, detection because it's at that 9.2 ring, while my detection's a 7.3. But every little bit of terrain helps. So let's hope it helps a little bit. And well, while we're at it, since we're waiting to get into the combat, I hope your week has been decent. It is Friday now, after all, so you should be heading into your weekend with whatever Friday night activities other than this viewing would be. And we hope those do well for you. If not, I'm sorry. Oh, I hope those torpedoes go ahead of that stupid pink ship. Mind you, since he's pink, it shouldn't actually cause me problems. Outright, anyway. Oh yeah, we're gonna be fine. He's behind them. And I kind of wish I had speed boost, but given the fact that there's a carrier, it's actually a good time this time I didn't have it. Oh, there's a target. Come on, get toward his own, that guy's smoke screen. Yeah, this ain't gonna end well. I'm too dug in. See if we can at least sink him, that way it counts as one of the things I need. I'm gonna get sunk before I do anything to him. Well, that was for naught. Alright then. Okay, now we're on base defense again, but now we're in the mighty Arizona. Gonna go at half speed here and move forward. So I just did a count, and I need to get 5 more to keep on track with my 5 more ships destroyed within today to keep on track with my daily amount that I came up with that need to be sunk in a day before the end of the month, because this mission goes away on the 1st if I'm reading if I read its completion system correctly. So, which requires me to get 8 ships in a day. And, well, that leaves me with 5, because I did some before I started recording. But that was earlier in the day, and mind you, I really should have recorded one of those, because it looked really awesome. Sad thing is those destroyers are going to show up first. Which... Okay, never mind. One of those destroyers will show up first, and I think... Yeah, that's the frigate. So he's already shown up. Well, out there somewhere. Oh, hey, look, cruiser, what are you? Carl, wait, what tier am I? I'm top tier. I'm playing like... I didn't realize I was top tier in this match. There we go. He's not moving fast enough. I should have brought that in further. I'm gonna turn more this way. That way I'm not sailing completely broadside onto these guys. Battleship's not an issue. He sailed away. These cruisers, though. Also too far forward. Should probably drop the plane, launch the plane. That way I can actually see where I'm shooting properly. Agreed? Agreed. Let's go with that. Deploying aircraft. He's kind of getting the crap beat out of him. All that in an unimpressive single hit. Oh, of course, now he goes completely broadside to me. Now that he's going to eat a torpedo. He's still making that turn? Yeah, he is. Slow down, don't hit the island. Alright, let's just readjusted. We're going this way. Of course, the silly thing that's going to happen here is I started recording, so I'm not going to sink a single person. Which is just like, really? But oddly enough, ironic and typical. If he hadn't maneuvered that much, would have actually got him. Come on, come out of the island. What, you want to come out? You want to come out of there? Yeah, yes. It's all good. There's nothing to worry about. Clearly there was nothing to worry about. Come on, guns. Reload. Before he burns or gets destroyed by someone else. Darn it. Well, we'll just try it on him. And he adjusted to avoid. And a single hit again. So 3 hits this entire game. I mean, seriously, guys. Damn it, guns, reload. He's gonna sink. Watch, right as they reload, someone's gonna shoot him. Told you. Mind you, that guy's gonna run right into him. Wrong shelf type for that type of thing, but... not like I have anything else to shoot at. Really? That is just complete and total nonsense. For some reason, even though it's at full, it is just like crawling along. Oh, are those actually gonna hit? And woo, we're at 5 kills. 5 targets, not kills. 5 hits, 5 different targets. Yes, please turn a little bit. Oh, you annoying little destroyer. It's not like I have to worry about torpedoes from this guy. So, I can turn a little bit more broadside to him. There we go. There's one. That sounded so sad. There's one. You know, I think just there's a stat or something that just doesn't get shown anywhere that determines if a ship is going to be extra slow in a match or not. And the stupid auto-navigate thing needs to go away. They just need to get rid of that. If people run into the islands, that's their own fault. Or that's just what they programmed their ship to do. Yeah, kill steal. I shouldn't feel so glad about that, but that's 2 out of my 8. Or, in this case, out of the 5 that I need, so I'm down to 3 now. And I might be crazy enough to just try and ram somebody that decides to get too close. Mind you, the scores are oddly pretty close to the same right now. Oh, here comes a carrot. Here's Bomber Squadron. Squadron. Words. Just gotta fix that now. I mean, yes, it's only one fire, but just no. Alright, speed up. Hello, New Mexico. Who, as soon as I come around the corner, decides to run away. Seriously, Dee Dee? Oh, great. Alright, come on, come on, come on. Turn, 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 turn. Delete him. Yes! Oh, that leaves me with 2 more that I need to get done. This battle might be more entertaining than anything, even though I'm about to die right here. That was actually the most effective match all day. Okay, so loop. I've never actually seen this map or been on this map. So this is new to me. I have no idea how this map plays out or what, but we're about to find out. I'll just play this ship like I normally do. I will use its detection range and just hope to not be detected. I hope that's actually a storm blowing in at the start, because that would be awesome for it to go down to 8-kilometer range right that quick. But I don't know if it is or not, or if that's just how this sky on this map looks.
Action stations.
Something tells me I don't want to sail straight at that, even though it looks like there's an island there in the center. What are you, a Fubuki? I'm just going to pair off with the Fubuki. Because Japanese destroyer, it does sort of the same thing, except it does it better. And since it's a destroyer, I'm assuming he knows what to do on this map, which could be a really big assumption. He might actually have a speed boost, and I just don't know it. Which I think he's using his speed boost. I can't tell. No, I'm gaining on him. If he had a speed boost going, there'd be no way I'd gain on that. No, don't detect me. Don't detect me. Oh, crap. Fine. That was sad. And now I'm gonna sail into the range of that. Nope. Where is their carrier? I wonder if he made it up into that A-B spot. Or... Oh. We'll find out when the planes show up again. Because his bombers did drop bombs already. Alright. I'm gonna sail on the outside of that. Remember, we need to sink 2 more ships to get them total for the day. It'd be really nice to get a carrier in there. Especially considering you can't really fight back, and it's a tier 9 in this case. Which would be awesome to sink it, even though I'm in a destroyer, so I should sink it anyway. But it's still a tier 7 taking out a 9. This is where if I had a speed boost would be useful. But I don't. Gonna widen my berths here on that battleship right over there. So it makes it more likely that I'll find things. But see, here's the fun thing. Technically, I can shoot at that Tirpitz, and he can't see me. Mind you, he's about to get into that range, so I'm going to stop right there. But at least now I've done something. It would have been awesome if I had set a fire. And I still wasn't detected. There's no shells wouldn't drop right. Up, aircraft.
Our victory is in sight.
Gotta redisable those. That way it doesn't keep that ring up.
Anti-aircraft gun crews are on full alert.
Go away.
Anti-aircraft gun crews are on normal alert.
Where did that carrier get to? Has he just sailed down to the bottom already? He must have. And chasing that Colorado is a bit ridiculous when I don't have the speed boost. And now I no longer have the AA cover either. I think I just spotted a new victim. Which, if I don't victimize it properly, will completely victimize me. But there's no reason to keep chasing that Colorado across the map. Except for that. That is a perfectly good reason. Right there. Oh. Okay, another new map. Warriors Path. And I'm now in the Atlanta because I felt like not using the same ship twice. Which I'm probably still going to end up doing. But, this is also... Oh, this is a highly island map for the bases. There's no bases in here, and there's no over here and over here. But in here and here, this is a very destroyer map. Fortunately, it looks like there's only 3 per side, or 2 per side. It's also another Tier 9 match, so Tier 9 map? At least I'm in a ship that's technically meant to hunt down destroyers. Or just cause a blithering amount of fire.
General quarters.
I'm gonna sail straight for A. That should work out the best. Or not terrible anyway. Mm-hmm. I wonder if they realize he's not the one sailing straight in there. Probably not. Or is he sailing straight in there? Oh, he's over there. You know, I wonder if I can act like a really big destroyer and just slip around these islands. Let's decrease the speed if we want that to work a little bit, even remotely like I just stated it to be. I'm detected from that destroyer. Oh, slow down to a quarter. And then reactivate my engine to come back out of this. Then I'm going to turn on this side. Wasn't quite where I had planned to do that, but it'll have to work. I notice nobody's gone for C yet, and I think they're going to cap it as well as B. And there's an Ismo. That's going to be a problem. Go right on this side. Hopefully I'll be able to slip around the corner before the Ismo gets back around the other island, and then I'll end up behind him. Oh, but that Colorado will come into play at that point. Yep, they captured that, and then they're leaving that. Come on, full stop, full stop, full stop. Don't sail into the open of that Colorado. He's not paying attention, I think. I don't know. Maybe? Come on, reverse. Reverse.
All stations, reporting the position of a strategic target.
Is he sailing away? They seem to sail away from that island. Does that mean that's where people usually get sunk? Or at least when this map got used the most. The island's in the way, I shouldn't be detected now.
Capture that area.
Except now I am. From where? Oh. The New Orleans. I'm ready for my imminent future. How about you? I will bring all the guns back on. Just keep raining death as I run away. Oh good, a turret's in the middle. That's gonna end just so swimmingly. Yeah, that was sad. Oh well. Instead of just filling the night with a lot of me sinking and failing objectives, I'm going to just call it there. So do like, favorite, subscribe, socialize, and we will catch you next time. Hopefully with a bit more actual effective gameplay than what has been shown here. And do enjoy the rest of your weekend.